Hello beautiful people and welcome to another episode. I'm here in Greece at the Acropolis. Check out this amazing place. Last time I was here was 7 years ago. It's so beautiful. On top of a hill, and there's all these like granite rocks everywhere. It's just wow. We're gonna jump into the charts. I've been traveling everywhere the last few months, quite amazing. I've been traveling actually for like 20 years, but the last few months just on overdrive. I was in Peru, in Amsterdam, in Ukraine, in now Greece and other places. It's been amazing. Hopefully you've been joining me on this journey. Hit the subscribe button, join nearly 70,000 of you. Smash up the thumbs up button. Amazing community of people. We're trading stocks, cryptos, investing. My goal is to make financial abundance for all of you. And we're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. It's heading up, which is amazing. It's very calm here in this place. The energy of this place is very calm, like contemplation place. We're going to jump into charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and I'm going to show you what I've been buying in the markets. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals, and on the 4 hourly we're getting that pump. The daily candle stochastic. So each of these candles is 1 day. If you don't know what this means, you can learn in my course, but each of these candles represents 1 day. You're watching Bitcoin move for the last few months since November. Stochastic is turning to head up, a lot of volume coming in. Moving average has crossed to head up. EMA ribbons going into the EMA ribbons, trying to head up. VPVR, we're at a point of huge support at the $42,000 area. This is where the most trading and buying selling. The crypto guru bot, which you get in the course, is also a blue buy. Squeeze mob going to the green side. Money flow back into Bitcoin. On the 4 hourly, what's going to happen for the next few days? Stochastic money flow index heading up strongly on the 4 hourly, like I thought in my previous video. Squeeze mob going to the green side. It's looking like Bitcoin is choosing the bullish line, and this is good because it's creating a kind of, this was a head and shoulders formation that was very possibly bearish, but on the longer time frame it's now making a reverse head and shoulders, and this is the most likely scenario. That's why I didn't close my long. So reverse head and shoulders to head up, and if it does play out that way, it's a big movement. We'd get a really like around 52k would be the target for Bitcoin. We're also going to check out Ethereum, but we need to get through this resistance on this blue trend line at 43k. We need to break through there. If we can get through there, 52,000 would be the target for Bitcoin, which is beautiful. It looks like we're getting the pump going in on the news that Ukraine is going to pull out of this NATO deal, possibly avoiding war. And just good news all around. The FTX and all these big exchanges having the Super Bowl ads. So the stochastic heading up on the hourly. What's going to happen in Bitcoin for the rest of today? Stochastic heading up strongly. Resistance looks like we're also forming a W on the shorter time frames. It's getting more bullish for Bitcoin. And down here we had some volume spikes on these bottom formations. So we're getting kind of a bottoming formation. And on the hourly we've got like kind of a W formation or a bigger W. And that's good. If it breaks up, we've got a short-term target. So for the rest of today, the target would be this distance here. If we can break above where we're sitting, target 43,600. So 43,700 and 52,000 are the targets for Bitcoin, which is beautiful. Now I'm going to show you my trades that I have open, then Ethereum. So if you want to trade like you're going to see me do underneath the video, you can go down and click this Bitcoin trading Bybit link. If you use this link, you sign up, you get a sign up bonus of 4,100 USD when you sign up to Bybit trading, and then you get this software that I'm going to show you. And make sure you hit the subscribe button. Join 70,000 subscribers almost. Smash up this thumbs up button. If you want to see my live trades, click the join button. So then once you sign up to Bybit, you get 4,100 USD when you deposit Bitcoin. In here I've got 105,400 US dollars, so up $1,000 since I made the last video, which is beautiful. Bitcoin I've got 61,000. Bit I've got $21,500 worth. Cake 12,500. USDT 6,000. And my Bitcoin trade up nicely, up about $120 from the previous video a few hours ago, which is beautiful, 15%. It's a small trade, $1,000 trade with 10x leverage, so it's a 10,000 Bitcoin dollar trade. I'm going to add more to this long. So if you haven't opened a long yet, again, if you want to trade like you're seeing me do, under the video on your phone, go down below, click this Bybit trading link, James Crypto Guru Bybit, sign up, and you get a 4,100 US dollar bonus when you deposit Bitcoin, and then you can trade the way you're seeing me do. So I'm going to add to my trade. We're going to have a big resistance here at the 43,000. If we can get above 43,000, actually I'm going to add to my trade now, but this is the point of a big resistance. But I do believe we can break through and go to the 43,000. So I'm going to add to my trade here, but here is a big resistance. We're trying to break through this resistance, but on the 4 hourly, it looks like we're going to break through. So I'm going to add more to the trade here. So I'll put I'll add more to the long I'll put the stop loss below here, so below 41,500, and take profit I can put all the way up at the 52,000. So that's a 7.39 ratio trade. For every $1,193 I risk, I make $8,800. So that's unleveraged. If I use 10x leverage, that's $88,000 of profits. If I use 100x leverage, that's $880,000 US dollars of profits. So for every dollar I risk, I get $7.34. So risking $1,000 to make nearly $9,000. Amazing risk to reward ratio trade. So I'm going to add more to it. So I go back onto Bybit. I'm going to add another $500 to this trade, which is beautiful. Adding 500 with 10x leverage, that's another $5,000 to trade. Open long, confirm. Trade is added. So now the trade is a $1,500 trade, so $15,000 worth of Bitcoin with 10x leverage, which is beautiful. That's my trades for Bitcoin. Let's jump onto Ethereum now and see what's going to happen to Ethereum and what that tells us about the market. The market's mainly in the green, especially a lot of altcoins. We've got a bit of a pump. Hopefully the stock market opens also with a pump with this news that Ukraine is not going to join NATO and possibly avoiding war. So Ethereum is also up 2%. We're getting pump on Ethereum. It bounced. Look at this. It bounced off this trend line so beautifully. If you saw my previous video, I talked about that it needed to bounce off this trend line here, this giant symmetrical wedge. When we go into the daily, you'll see what I mean. And you can learn all this in the crypto course. This is a giant symmetrical wedge, this one. Symmetrical triangle, sorry. And the way they work, builds pressure, explodes the direction of the trend. So on the 2nd of May, we could have 7th of May, we could have a really big movement for Ethereum. But now that we got, look at that bounce exactly on the line. Look how the line held up the bounce today and bounced very strongly exactly off that trend line. Stochastic turning up, we got volume. So if this moves up and continues the pattern, that will give us a target of 3,500. So we could actually have quite a strong pump here on the crypto markets, which is beautiful. $3,500 would be the target. So that's what's happening for Ethereum. Very nice. So that's what's happening. I'm going to go back and enjoy this beautiful Acropolis and the sunset. I recommend Greece. It's very nice. Here is so peaceful. Greek people are chillers. It's really nice. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hit the subscribe button. Join nearly 70,000 people. Smash up the thumbs up button. This is James from Crypto Guru. You're an amazing community. Join us in the Discord. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Twitter. All the links down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.